Hello, today I'm in AUDI SQ5. In this video I'll show you how to navigate through instrument cluster display. In the beginning, take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this panel. We are going to use it to navigate through instrument cluster. Firstly, let's press View button to change instrument cluster view. Next, use arrows button to switch menu. Right here we can find navigation menu, telephone menu, radio menu, alerts, and trip info. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.